Is your facility management being held back by old processes? Let's talk digital.
A lot of companies are, still stuck with old school methods for daily tasks.
That creates a huge blind spot between the work getting done and what you can actually see.
Think about it. Paper registers are slow, they create log jams, and tracking is a nightmare.
And that inconsistency, it can really hurt your reputation with your most important clients.
And when it's time for an audit, it's a total headache, eating up so much time.
So what's the fix? It's a digital backbone. We call it the Security First Digital Platform, or SFDP.
Now, what's crucial is SFDP works with your current systems, not against them. It's an addition.
So what does this change look like? Well, it's moving from manual chaos to digital control. SFDP digitizes all those core tasks. Your visitor logs, for example, become a streamlined system. It brings everything together, vendor management, staff attendance, all on one single platform.
So why are leaders making the switch to SFDP? It really comes down to 5 key reasons. You get way better control, you solve problems faster, and you keep your clients happy.
Look, this isn't just about being more efficient. It's about getting a real competitive edge.
This is how you scale your business without your costs exploding. It's all about smart growth.
Ready to see how this works for you? Go ahead and book a consultation.